Hello, I'm here with my client, Miss Edwinda Jackson, and today for this lab, we will be measuring Miss Jackson's blood pressure. We will be taking body composition measurements, and we will also be measuring the circumference of her waist and hips. So first, let's start with the blood pressure. Okay, Miss Jackson, can I have your left arm? I need you to rest your left arm comfortably on the table with your palms up. Okay. I'm checking for your radial artery. Okay. Just rest your arm comfortably. Excuse me. All right. Your blood pressure is 131/76. Okay. So now let's take your waist circumference measurement. Ms. Jackson, if you can stand for me and lift your shirt. I'm sorry, you just have to pull it down slightly. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Your waist is a 34 inches. Now let's, for your hips, can you stand with your feet directly beneath you? And I'm going to measure you. Excuse me. Okay. Your hip measurement is 43.5. Okay. Now I'm going to be measuring your circumference using I'm sorry, 1 second.
Okay.
So the reason behind us taking this measurement is for us to get further insight into whether or not your fat levels as it pertains to overweightness and obesity. Not saying that you're overweight, but it's just an indicator. So to take the measurements of your skin, we're going to be using skin folds. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to measure will be your triceps. So
come up so you can see.
1 second. Okay. So for the triceps, okay, so you can have a seat for this. Just relax your arm. Relax your arm and turn a little bit more that way. Okay. Just relax your arm with your oh, excuse me. Okay. 1 second. Let me get on this side. Get a better measurement. I apologize. Okay. Okay. 58.8. Okay, can you please stand for the next measurement? Okay. Lift your shirt slightly for me. Excuse me, I know this is a bit invasive. Okay, 36.2. Let me just make a quick notation, excuse me.
I hope I'm not too fat.
No, not at all. Okay, so the first one was 58.8, 36.2. And for the next one, I will be measuring your thighs. So maybe you can roll up your pants leg. Okay. Wait 1 second. Okay, actually I'm gonna use another part of your body. Can you please stand? Okay, so, excuse me, I'm sorry. Okay, excuse me. Can you lift your shirt for me slightly? Okay, from the hip area. Okay, thank you. Okay, we have taken Miss Jackson's measurements for her blood pressure, her body circumference, her hip and waist circumference. We will be inputting the information into the log, and we will be continuing next week with the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.